Welcome to week 3. We made it to the end, seniors. Oh my gosh, we just got to make it through this last week and then it is summer vacation. Yes. So, Monday, today is June 1st, and your word of the day quiz for the week has been released. It is worth 27 points. However, it's only going to be graded out of 25, so you have the option for 2 extra credit points. Crazy, I know. It will need to be completed by Friday, June 5th. So that gives you 5 days to work on it. You have 9 words, and you got the words at the beginning of week 1. So if you don't feel ready yet, please take some time, review, make sure you're confident on the words before you take the quiz. Just like always, you're going to match the word with the definition and write a sentence using each word. Like I said, it's 27 points, but you're actually only graded out of 25, so you could get 2 points extra credit. All right, today we're just focusing on reading. Just like last week, I'm going to ask you to read for 20 minutes. Please record the title and author of whatever it is that you read and respond to the prompt in the Google Classroom. It's due at the end of the day today. That's Tuesday, June 2nd, and it's worth 5 points. Your reading prompt today says, strong readers make connections with what they're reading and other things in the world. Record one thing that you connected with in your reading today. Was it a text-to-text, text-to-self, or text-to-world connection? Explain the connection you made and how it helped you understand what you were reading. Do this in 5-day sentences. And then don't forget that quiz. Remember, it's available through midnight on Friday, June 5th, but I cannot extend it 1 minute later than midnight, so get it done. Wednesday, June 3rd. Today we're going to do just the article of the week. Okay, this week's article is actually not going to come from me. It's going to come from you. So find something that you're interested in and share it with me. I love it. So what you're going to do is you are going to link the article in your response. You're going to write about it in 5 to 8 sentences and include one quote from the text. So your article can be on anything that you want. It can be on science or history. It can be on current events. It could be on pop culture. Anything that you're interested in. One news article. Give me the link. Talk about it in 5 to 8 sentences with one quote. It's due by the end of the day today, and it is worth 10 points. And then again, don't forget that word of the day quiz. You have 2 more days to get it done. Thursday, we have our final reading log today, Thursday, June 4th. Get that reading log done. You're going to read for 20 minutes. Again, you're going to tell me the title and the author, and you're going to respond to the prompt. It'll be due at the end of the day. That's June 4th, and that is worth 5 points. So your prompt is, what surprised you about what you read today? It can be anything. Write about it in a complete paragraph. That's 5 to 8 sentences. And then that quiz, it's due tomorrow. Hard deadline at midnight. So if you haven't already done that, please check it out. Review the word of the day lecture before your quiz so you are the most prepared that you can be. All right, Friday, June 5th, we are just going to wrap everything up today and make sure that you have everything done so you can end with the best grade possible. So, again, word of the day quiz, today is the absolute last day for you to do that. It needs to be in by midnight. The other things that we've done these 3 weeks, we had an article of the week on week 1. We also did SSR and a reading log and your Zello checklist. Week 2, it was the week where it was a little bit heavier. There were small assignments. We had the research assignment where you had to tell me your topic. You gave a reading log on Tuesday. On Wednesday, we did the article of the week. On Thursday, you had to give me your MLA citation and do another reading log. And then Friday, that annotated citation was due. And then that brings us to this week. We had a reading log on Tuesday, article of the week, your choice, on Wednesday, and a reading log on Friday, and that word of the day quiz today. And then we are done with the semester. We're done with the year. You're about to graduate. It's amazing. I hope you guys just have the best week and the best summer. And I know it was a crazy end to your school year and to your high school career, but we made it through together. I'm going to miss you guys a lot. Feel free to email me if you ever need anything, and come back and visit me in the fall. All right, guys. See you soon.